Hi guys. Okay, on this tutorial I'm going to show you real quick how to make the pocket to our face mask wallet carrying case. I have a full tutorial on how to make this case by itself. I just wanted to show you how to make this pocket on its own. That way if you chose to make it, you could just go ahead and click on the tutorial to show you how to do this. It's very simple. It's just where we put our little hand sanitizer. So you need to have your bottle, whatever bottle you're using for that little wallet. And basically we're going to use the same hook and the same yarn we're using for our wallet. And we're going to leave a long tail because that's what we're going to use to attach it to the back of the carrying case. So we are going to start with a slip knot, and we are just going to start chaining. What we're going to make is a chain that's long enough to go all the way around the bottle of hand sanitizer. So since we're not using the same one, that's why there's no set of chains, a set number of chains. So you just want to make sure that it goes around. So I think I need 2 more. That should be good. It doesn't have to be exact because the yarn is pretty stretchy. So I think that's good enough. That goes around. So we're going to work this in the round. So what we're going to do, make sure it doesn't twist, and we are going to slip stitch onto that first chain. And we're going to join it. You make a ring. And we're going to chain 1 and then just single crochet all the way around. So it's very simple. Just make sure that tail, you don't want to start. Normally I would hide the tail, but we're going to use that tail to attach our pocket. So don't hide it. Okay, so just single crochet all the way around. The easiest way to go about this is just to keep single crocheting in a spiral so you don't have to slip stitch at the end of every round and then chain 1 and start again. So since there's no set number of rounds that we need to make, since everybody's going to have a different sized bottle, that is why I think the spiral will probably be a lot easier for most of you. And just continue all the way around. I just thought it was handy to put this on the back because kids never remember to have, and especially this is something that I've made for friends and family that have little ones going back to school. Okay, so when you come to the end, instead of slip stitching onto that top one and chaining 1, you can just keep going and just single crochet all the way around. And you basically need enough to cover your bottle. That way it's secured on the back here. So enough to cover it. So keep going until you've made enough that you have it covered. And I'll meet you back here so I can show you what we need to do next. Okay, so I think we're good with me. I'm going to try this. Yep, and that should be good. That should be nice. And I suggest you leave, you make it wide enough to cover the bottle, and you can just have the little neck sticking out. That way it's nice and secure on your little carrying case. Okay, so once you've gotten the proper size, what we need to make is, I made like a couple little crossbars we can make so the bottle doesn't fall through. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain. Once you're done with that row, we're going to chain 5. So that's 3, 4, 5. And then we are going to, it doesn't matter where we're going to slip stitch into the opposite side. Okay. And then from there, we're going to chain another 5. It keeps getting tangled. So, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll go across to the other end, just so you have like a little crossbar. You can see that. And then just insert your hook in there and just slip stitch, and then just chain 1, cut your yarn, pull it through, and there we go. You see you have those little bars down there so your bottle doesn't fall out. So it's just like a little cross. So then you can go ahead and attach this little guy to the back of your little wallet, and there you have it. You can just slide that and then just hide your ends at the end. But there you go. So that's how you make that cute little pocket for the back there. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed making both items here. This is such a cool little idea to carry all your masks. So again, there's a video for this. I'll link it below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.